Heat of solution. What is heat of solution? The heat of solution is the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a substance is dissolved in a specified quantity of solvent at a given temperature. Specified quantity of solvent at a given temperature, that is named as heat of solution. Then heat of neutralization. What is heat of neutralization? The change in enthalpy when 1 gram equivalent of an acid, 1 gram equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of a base. We already know what is neutralization. The acid may neutralize by base or base by acid. That is named as neutralization. Then what is heat of neutralization? The change in enthalpy when 1 gram of equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of a base in liquid solution. The example, we have to see one example. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. It gives us sodium chloride and water. What is the enthalpy del H? Minus 57.32 kilojoule per mole. The HCl plus NaOH, we are getting NaCl plus H2O. What is the del H value? Minus 57.32 kilojoule. In ionic form, H plus from HCl, OH minus plus NaOH, we are getting water molecule. The NaCl is neutralized. The plus and the minus, it is neutralized. We are getting water molecule. The NaCl is salt, then water molecule. So del H value is minus 57.32 kilojoule. Next, molar heat of fusion. What is molar heat of fusion? The change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a solid substance is converted into its liquid state. 1 mole of a solid substance is converted into the liquid state at its melting point. At its melting point is named as molar heat of fusion. Fusion, there is a fusion is take place solid to liquid, that's all. Next, the example is water which is in solid state, nothing but ice. It melts as 0 degrees Celsius, isn't it? The same in Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. So solid to liquid. What is del H of molar heat of fusion? Plus 5.98 kilojoule. Plus 5.98 kilojoule. Then molar heat of vaporization. What is vapor? Nothing but liquid to gaseous state. The fusion means solid to liquid. Vaporization means liquid to gas. Let me see molar heat of vaporization. The change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a liquid is converted into the vapor state at its boiling point. 1 mole of a liquid is converted into the vapor state at its boiling point. That is named as molar heat of vaporization. Next example, molar heat of sublimation. I hope you remember what is sublimation. The solid is directly converted into vapor. Solid is directly converted into vapor. It is named as sublimation. Then what is molar heat of sublimation? The change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a solid directly converted into the vapor state at its sublimation temperature. I2, iodine, it is in solid state, it convert into vapor. I2, it convert into vapor, solid to vapor. What is del H sub? That is molar heat of sublimation plus 62.42 kilojoule. Then molar heat of transition. What is the meaning of transition? When 1 mole of an element changes from one of its allotropic form to another. If any element have allotropic form, change from one to another form is named as transition. Diamond, graphite, both are carbon, both are allotropes of carbon. Diamond is changed to graphite. Del H trans is plus 13.81 kilojoule. Then monoclinic sulfur, then rhomic form. The del H trans is equal to minus 0.067 kilojoule. Phosphorus white to red. The del H trans is minus 4.301 kilo. Thank you children. All the best. Go through the lesson and study well.